Hi there. I just got home from a little quick shoot and my new camera body came in the mail. Unfortunately, not great timing. Spoiler alert, it's not. Oh, you can't see it. Good. But I needed to upgrade my Canon system. I had, this is so great because I just literally unpacked my stuff. I have the EOS-R. This is with the 2870 lens. It's always a good go-to, but the EOS-R system, it was the first Canon mirrorless. It has served me well. I got it right when it came out. It's really beat up. It's been all over the world, been like really a trooper over the years. I really enjoyed this camera a lot. Some of the features on it, you know, using the remote control with my phone has been really fun. The focusing, a lot of just neat issues, kind of Canon jumping into the mirrorless era. It's been really neat. But this camera's been out for a while and I've had it for a long time and I have not upgraded my R system. Embarrassingly so. I've been working on my Leica set. But anyway, this came in the mail. Saw it when I walked in the door. I did open it to charge the battery, but I didn't really touch the body yet, and I wanted to kind of do like a first impression type of video of how it feels, especially since I just came from a shoot. So this is the new R6 Mark II, which came out in November. And like I said, it's no like huge reveal because I've already opened the box, but I just touched this for a second and man, it really feels, you know, like the Canon I know and love. It's kind of has this really nice finish to it. Man, I don't know if it's rubber. I'm terrible with what actual things are, but yeah, it's kind of what it's the coating's a little bit different and I like the way it has kind of a grippy, nice feel to it. Same bits, gadgets. Oh yeah, ooh, I like that. That feels, this little dialy button feels really nice. I was not a fan of the digital button here. I never really customized anything with what I was doing. I customized very little, I should say. But this one's, yeah, I like this. The on, off, lock. You know, I'm sure other people have videos that go into much more detail. I'm just kind of getting the first reactions. It feels a little like a toy. It's super light, you know. This Mac Daddy lens isn't helping my cause here. Yeah, I guess weight comparison, very, very similar here. But I like this one better. And then screen. Everyone loves a new screen. Gorgeous, so pretty. Yeah, I'm a big fan. I don't know, it feels so slick and new. I mean, it's always exciting and a fun day to get a new camera body, but I am thrilled about this. I obviously have a lot more playing and experimenting to do. Oh, I like the hot shoe. It's kind of a neat little update on that. Viewfinder looks about the same. I know that there's updated. Yeah, cool. Anyway, I'm getting really excited and ahead of myself, but lots of acquainting myself with this new camera body. Again, this is the EOS-R R6 Mark II. Most excited about the stop motion software that's in it. Wedding season just started and I have been really focused on new clients, client relationships, shooting, editing, kind of getting into my workflow, taxes. So I have a lot of things on my mind, but I'm very excited to use this one, add it to my bag. Just very brief first impressions of the R6 Mark II. Okay, bye.